Hey, it's Ben from Orchard. If your phone isn't charging properly, there's a good chance the charging port is clogged with dust or lint. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to safely clean out that charging port and get your phone charging like new again. First, you'll need a wooden or plastic toothpick. Avoid using any metal tools and a soft microfiber cloth. Before you start, turn your phone off to avoid any damage. Then take that toothpick and gently scrape out any lint or debris inside the port. Be careful not to damage the delicate pins inside and avoid using compressed air or liquids, as these can cause permanent damage. Keep working carefully until you've cleared out any dust or lint. Then plug your phone in to see if the connection's improved. Finally, give your phone a quick wipe down with a microfiber cloth to remove any loose dirt or dust. And that's it, a simple way to keep your charging port clean and working properly. And if you're ever in need of a quality pre-owned phone, check us out at getorchard.com.